Sometimes we encounter situations like this where our TV program has no sound, just like this one. There's actually no sound, so even if we turn the volume up, there still won't be any sound effect, right? Take a look. Are you noticing that there is no sound coming through? The main reason for this is that the audio of our program is encoded in Dolby AC3, but your terminal TV does not support AC3 decoding. That is why sometimes the sound is out of sync, certain channels have no sound, or the audio stutters. It is all because of this compatibility issue. So how do we solve this problem? We have developed an audio transcoder. This is our audio transcoder, and this is its internal structure. Our audio transcoder can take the audio and it can convert AC3 into the ACV2 standard and various other digital formats that our end-user TVs can receive and decode. In this way, this compatibility issue is effectively resolved. Our audio transcoder serves as a processing platform. It supports both IP input and IP output. A single device can transcode more than 20 sets of audio programs, converting AC3 into MPEG2 or Level 2 formats. Now, let's take a look at its internal structure. Our internal structure also allows for the insertion of various modules. For example, if you need ASI input, we can insert an ASI input module, right? If you need satellite input, DVB, T2 input, or ISDB input, then we can insert this module. If we need an ASI interface, we can just insert this module. Okay, if we need satellite input or other modules, then we just insert this one, and we can add the satellite module as well. Okay, it's very convenient. This means that this transcoder is not just for pure IP transcoding, but it can also integrate external signal sources, such as ASI signal sources or tuner signal sources, for comprehensive processing on a single platform. Here is the operation interface of our machine after logging in. This is our login address, and then we input the signal source. The signal source here is AC3. As you can see, isn't it AC3? Right, so the input is AC3. For the audio output, we can go ahead and choose. We can select 2 AC3 or V2 or various other available formats. After we make our selection, we can simply click on the Apply button followed by the Confirm button, and then the audio will be converted into a format that our terminal can accept. After configuring our transcoder, let's take a closer look at the results. This program is AC3 with Dolby, so there is no sound. Let's make some necessary adjustments. There's no sound. Right? There's no sound. So let's turn up the volume. Still no sound. So after we transcoded it, we converted this channel to standard MPEG-1 layer 2. Let's see if there's any sound now. Here, you can hear it this year. Okay, there is sound, right? This one had Dolby, and when we searched for it, there was no sound because the central TV doesn't support it. But after our audio transcoding, the sound comes out. This kind of system and equipment solves the problem where our end-user TVs can't decode AC3 or Dolby. It can be used in such situations.